Hello guys, welcome back to another Hybrid Animals video. And today, we're gonna do something interesting. Die. 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 Anyways, I should have played yesterday. I didn't because I was doing something. I was in a different place. And then we were going in the boat, so I could not play online. How fragile am I? So, with my conclusion, takes in place on Sundays. But for what? Ah, please on the weekends. Does he have school? Probably he's in college or she is in college. Gigi played 3 days ago. Stavros is lost 1 month. Non locus 1 hour. 12 hours a day. 12 years ago. Ban Ban. What happened to this guy? It's been a long time. He usually plays with me when he's online. What if he deleted it? Or what if he got cancer? What if he got cancer? Man, I worry much. Hi, Kevin. I'm sorry, Kevin, that there would be only one Kevin. He should have been the guard. He should have been the guard. He should have been the guard. But who cares, right? It's just a game. It's just a game. Oh yeah. Yesterday I had a crazy dream about uh, Godzilla. Yeah, yesterday, not today. Yesterday. So let me say the whole story when I'm trying to uh, let me just say it while I'm trying to do something. So, anyways, it was just a normal day until Shin Godzilla came out of nowhere And then some girl put a poison on the dog. Yeah, we had a dog. And then the dog turned into the Peach Man from That's Not My Neighbor, but looking like Godzilla. And then we went underground because when we realized it's because of the poison, we tried to make a cure. And that cure is from me, my blood. And then afterwards, how can I say this? We almost got the cure. But then meanwhile, Shin Godzilla and the dog Godzilla, well, the dog Godzilla turned into the American Godzilla, a one that turned into pink but is not yet pink. This one, the dog Godzilla was more retarded. Anyways, Shin Godzilla was talking fine. She was like, "Come on, my dear," to the dog Godzilla. So I suppose the dog Godzilla became her son, I guess. He said, "Come on, my dear. We can't be late." I don't know what. I don't really know why, but the retarded Godzilla or the dog Godzilla or the American Godzilla, I guess, keep on banging. Keep on banging his head on the road, so he knows we're there. But then Shin Godzilla was like, "Come on, my dear, what are you doing? You're so messy. You you have scrap in your head." If only that dog Godzilla can talk, then he would tell the whole thing. Well, I guess it makes sense because the dog Godzilla probably could smell. And the Shin Godzilla is still saying, "Ooh," is now saying, "Ooh, someone's there, isn't it?" And I don't know what happened next. I woke up. That was kind of a bad dream. I was thinking like, what would have happened? She would have uh, atomic blast the the ground, I guess, but she could also knock her head to the ground, I guess, to kill us. I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, also, do you know how it feels like to finish a good dream? Yeah, that just happened now. I'll tell you. Wait, no, I forgot, but oh, hello, Godzilla. Anyways, I forgot, but do you know how it feels like? Yeah, it feels good though. Na 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 na. Yes. Get over it. Get, get over here. This is a nice painting. Here we go. The Dublin masterpiece and the piece. Ah, and talk to me, baby. Da 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 da. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Cake by the ocean. Say to an ocean. What a wonderful world. Is a man. Why not to himself? And gonna die. Anyways, Tell me, baby. Yeah, I don't know what to say now. I think the other part that I talked about Godzilla was animated, I guess. I don't know because I didn't even I don't know because I didn't even plan for it, I guess. But probably, I guess. Probably. Hippos and elephants are the same, but hippos live in water and elephants don't. Common sense, bro. Ah, okay, guys. See you later. Bye.